What if your fridge recommended food like Netflix recommends movies? At first, it seems cool, trending in your kitchen, leftover pizza. But then, it gets judgmental. A notification pops up. We noticed you stare into the fridge at 2:13 a.m. May we recommend water? Seriously. 10. Come stay healthy. Eating. Push it. Top picks for you. Kale, salad. Skip recommendation. Because you ate nothing healthy. Here's a quinoa bowl. Skip. 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 Finally, I check out the quick bites, under 5 minutes category. Let's see. We've got yogurt. Okay. Cold leftover pizza. A classic. And that suspicious container from 3 days ago, now listed under. Are you feeling lucky?